Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2001 Toyota Camry door handle, easy method. Start by lowering the window and removing the interior door panel screws and trim carefully to reveal the inner panel. Disconnect the power lock connector if present and peel back the moisture barrier gently. Locate the 3 handle mounting nuts, remove them, and slide out the old handle. Prepare the new handle, transfer any clips, and insert it back into position. Prepare your workspace and tools before you begin so the job flows smoothly and safely. Clear a flat area for parts and keep a small container for screws and clips to prevent loss. Wear gloves if desired to protect your hands from sharp edges and use a trim tool to avoid damaging plastic panels. Confirm the replacement handle matches your 2001 Camry door orientation and latch linkage before starting the removal steps. Work methodically through each step so you don't lose track of parts and clips. After removing the interior screws, lift the panel to release the retaining clips and set it aside. Detach the lock rod using needle nose pliers and unplug any electrical connectors if applicable. With access to the handle studs, remove the 3 nuts and ease the handle assembly out from the outside, keeping track of any spacers or gaskets to reuse on installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.